Make sure to locate the service disconnect on the traction battery pack. This is key to safely deactivating the high voltage system before you proceed. Check the high voltage wiring with the voltmeter to confirm there's no residual voltage. It's important to ensure safety before moving on. Inspect the EV charging port for any damage or debris, as a clean connection is essential for safe charging. Inspect the rear right wheel assembly for any wear or damage. It's crucial for ensuring smooth operation as you spin it. Examine the front suspension assembly for any signs of wear or damage, as it's critical for maintaining vehicle handling and overall safety. Complete the documentation on the clipboard, as accurate records are essential for tracking the vehicle's maintenance history and ensuring safety.